Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome back to one more session of your CBSE Grade 12 preparation for 2024-25. Yes, welcome back, students. How are you all doing? Those who are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for getting associated. Thank you so much for watching. Those who are there with me already, gratitude from Vani ma'am. Yes. So welcome back. As mentioned, our preparation for the CBSE examination 2024 begins today. As I said, we'll be uploading the video according to the new exam pattern. Yes, we'll be following the new examination pattern, students, because new examination pattern, yesterday I did a video. This includes your MCQ preparation. Yes, it includes your case-based question preparations. It includes your source-based question preparations and everything, long answer, short answer. So I already did one shot videos. A detailed explanation of one shot videos is already done from my end. My request is please watch one shot videos also, because this one shot videos is exactly the replica of your classroom teaching. So the link is given in the description. Please go to that link. So go to the description link and watch it. So what is the difference between earlier and this particular series? This particular series, as I mentioned, students, remember we are going to follow new exam pattern. We'll be doing more and more, or loads and loads of MCQ questions, loads of questionnaire, loads of MCQs, and everything questionnaire goes on like that for the whole year. So I request your support so that we can take this year ahead. So let us start without wasting time, students. So for you all, you have solutions chapter. Total number of chapters are only 10 for your 2024-25 exam. Correct, right? So in that 2024-25 exam, solutions chapter is there, and these are the topics which are prescribed for you by the CBSE board. So we'll go topic by topic. We'll be solving questions. You'll be learning the topic, solving the questions. So our concept is only solving the questions series now. Let's start the video. So first of all, we are going to solve such questions. For example, this is the complete topic which we are going to learn first, and we are going to apply this concept in solving the MCQ. So that this MCQ answer also will be solving. We'll also be doing the explanation why it is. So my request is please buy one 400 pages book. When you buy one 400 pages book, you can note all these questions into that. So let's start the video. Chapter number 2, according to your board, first concept. First of all, I should know what is a solution. Correct. Now, solution chapter means I should know what is a solution. What are you finding here? You're finding sugar and you're adding to that water. This is one water. Sugar and water put together is forming a mixture. That mixture is called homogeneous mixture. What is homo? Evenly distributing. Now I'm going to define this particular mixture, whatever is there, this is called solution. All right, so what am I doing now? I'm using the word solution and defining. What is solution? Here you're seeing even mixing of both sugar and water, right? So solutions are homogeneous mixtures. Homo means similar, homogeneous mixtures. Mixture only, no? Sugar and water are mixing. Okay, this is first point. I am clear. Homo means similar. So in this homo, how many components do you have? This say this is one component, this is two component. So can I write it as solutions of homogeneous mixtures of how many components? Two or more than two components. Two or more than two components. It can be more, it can be two as seen here. It can be more than two also. Okay. Now this is over. Definition is over. Solution means homogeneous mixture. It can contain two components or two or more. Now I have to know and go inside this solution and see what actually is there. Understand the concept. We can solve the questions. So I'll be clear. In a solution, there are two components basically. Solution is homogeneous. I'm going to have two components in this, and the component which is present in the largest quantity, larger quantity. What is present in larger quantity? In the earlier one, you only tell me here sugar are small particles, water is larger quantity. So the one which is in the larger quantity, remember it is always called solvent, water. Water is universal solvent. The one which is present in this is larger. Now I'm going to make it as a smaller quantity or lesser quantity or lower quantity. Yes. the component that is a solvent, and the one which is present in the lesser quantity is called solute. In the earlier case, what is this as? Solute. So solute. Now in this case, earlier case, water is a solvent for us. Sugar is a solute for us, which is in lesser quantity. Simple as that, over. Nobody will ask a question from this. But what is important? These solutions are of different varieties. Now I have two components in this. So solutions are of different varieties like binary solutions where you have solute and solvent. You have second is tertiary solutions. You have quaternary solutions. All these are different varieties of solutions present. Now, what is binary? As I said, binary. Binary means they contain two components. One is the solute component, one is the solvent component. Like that. If there are three, they're called tertiary. If there are four, it is called quaternary. Each done. Right. Now, each component, whatever are there in this solute or solvent, they can be of varieties, different varieties. So, after learning the definition, after going into the type, we have to go into a concept called types of solutions. Just now I said it is homogeneous, it is binary, it has salt and sugar and water. What are the different types of solutions? Carefully observe. This table is very, very important. Very, 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 very important. You'll be getting MCQs. Now, what is this? How many varieties of solutions are there? See, each component of a solution, it may be solid. Okay, it can be solid solution. It can be liquid solution. It can be gaseous solution. Okay, the component of a solution, whatever is there, if this particular solution, whatever you're studying, it can be solid solution, it can be liquid solution, it can be gaseous solution also. Correct, right? Okay, now what should I remember? See, they have listed out few examples. Solute is minor quantity, solvent is major quantity. Now see here, gaseous solutions are different examples here. What is that? In gaseous, both solute and solvent can be gas and gas. Solute and solvent can be liquid and gas. Solute and solvent can be solid and gas. Okay, solid and gas. So you are going to remember these varieties and along with that examples. Very important. Next variety of solution is liquid. In liquid solution, what do you have? Gas is solute, liquid is solvent. Second, liquid in liquid. Third, solid in liquid. And these are the examples. Fourth or third variety is solid solutions, and these three are the examples which you should remember. Ma'am, should I remember the table? Yes, you have to remember the table exactly the same way because we are going to solve questions based on this. Shall we start the questions now? All right. So, types of solutions. We are going to start the questionnaire from here. So, carefully understand this. First question. Which type of solution is formed when a gas is dissolved in? Okay, this got little bit deleted. Gas is dissolved in another gas. I'm completing the question, students. Gas is dissolved in another gas. Note this question. Now, I studied this table. Just go back. Gas is dissolved in another gas. So, gas in gas. See here, gas is dissolved in another gas. What is the solution called? This is called gaseous solution. So, I'm marking gaseous. So, that means here, air is one of the example. Now, what is air? Air contains mixture of non-reacting gases and vapors. Correct? Now, everything is in gaseous state only. So, gas solution, the best example. Let us remember now, gas solution. The best example is air. Air is the concept because it contains lot of non-reacting gases. So, option A is clear. Clear? Let us go to next question. Which of the following is an example of a liquid in gas solution? Liquid in gas. Okay. Liquid in gas. So this is first one is always your, sorry. First one is always your solute. Second one is always your solvent. So remember, liquid in gas is where liquid in gas. This got little bit deleted, students, because I was pasting this answer. Liquid in gas. So go back to the earlier one. I think this table is clear. Liquid and gas here. So what is that? Example, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. So come back. There is option chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. So here, what is a solute here? Basically, what is a liquid? Let us write here. In this case, liquid is your chloroform. Okay. What is the gas part here? Gaseous part is your nitrogen gas, which is here. Is it done? Done. Option 2 is clear. Question 2 with option C. Done. Let us go to the next question. Let What is the solute in a solid? What is the solute in a solid in gas solution such as smoke? They have given here example. Go back to smoke. Where is smoke? A smoke is here. What is they're asking? They're asking what is a solute? Solute in smoke. Solute in smoke. What is it? It is solid. Easy. Okay. So basically, let us understand smoke is something which has a solute, okay, which is smaller quantity. It has a solvent, okay. Solute, what particles are present? Solute contains solid particles, correct? Now all the dust particles, correct. And solvent is your dispersed in a gas, it is dissolved in gas. So something like, matter. The solid is nothing but matter. It is dissolved in which one? In gas is nothing but air, correct, right? So the option C is correct. Let us go to the next question. What is an example of a gas dissolved in liquid? Okay. Gas dissolved in liquid. Where is gas dissolved in liquid? It is here. What is an example? Simple. Carbon dioxide in water, because I'm remembering the table. Carbon dioxide in water. So, where do you observe this? We observed it in soft drinks, right? We observe this in soft drinks. In soft drinks, carbonated drinks, yes. In carbonated drinks, what is there? You have solute, you have solvent. Now, what is the solute here? You have carbon dioxide gas. What is the solvent here? Water. So we call the soft drinks as carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks. Am I right? Yes. Done, done, done. Easy question. So table is important. Let us go to the next question. Which solution involves a liquid dissolved in another liquid? Okay. Liquid dissolved in another liquid. Where is that? Liquid dissolved in another liquid. What is it? Alcohol in water. Correct? Okay. So here, again, let us go and see. What is a solute in this case? Yes, solute is alcohol because it is present in lesser quantity. What is a solvent here? Solvent is water. Correct? So this is also liquid in state. This is also liquid in state. That's why that's the option. Easy. Let's go to the next question. Which is an example of solid dissolved in liquid? Okay, solid dissolved in liquid. This is how the question is framed. All right, what is the example? NaCl or sugar. Okay, let us mark the thing sugar. Now here again, let us write what is solute, what is solvent. So basically your solute is lesser quantity, it is salt or it is sugar. What is a structure of salt or sugar? It is solid. Okay. What is the solvent here? Water. What is the structure of this? It is liquid. Easy? Easy. Let us go to the next question. Which example represents gas dissolved in solid? Gas dissolved in solid. Read the table. It is easy. That's all. Remember the table. What is the example? Hydrogen gas in palladium metal. Okay. Let us again write here. What is solute? What is solvent? Okay. What is solute here? Solute is hydrogen gas. Correct? Okay. But, ma'am, here solute particle hydrogen gas dissolved in is an example of gas dissolved in solid. Gas is the solute part. Okay, we have written gaseous part. And what is the solvent here? Yes, palladium metal. Okay, this time palladium metal is acting as a solvent and which is solid. That is what you should remember. Don't get confused. Palladium metal means smaller quantity now. It is the other way where on the surface of the palladium metal, you have hydrogen gas bubbles which absorb. It is not absorb, it is absorb. Okay, this is done. Okay, chalo. Next question, question number 8. Which type of solution is formed when liquid mercury is mixed with another metal? Liquid mercury is mixed with another metal. Liquid is mixed with another metal. So it is nothing but your liquid in solid. Because liquid mercury is mixed with another metal. So remember here, when liquid mercury, whatever is there, it amalgamates. Mercury amalgamates. Amalgamates means mixes. Amalgamates or mixes. When this mixes with another metal, it forms liquid and solid. Okay, liquid and solid. This is called sodium amalgam. Liquid and solid. It forms liquid and solid sodium amalgam. So what is the liquid here? Liquid is your sodium. Solid is the mercury, which your sodium metal is mixing. Got it? So liquid mercury is your part, which is a solute, and another metal sodium. That's that. So it's called liquid mercury amalgamate. Okay. All right. Next question, question number 9. What type of solution is brass? Where is brass? Brass is here. Yes, brass is solid and solid. So the option is right. So brass, if I have to talk, what is there? Brass has combination of copper. Brass has combination of zinc. Correct? It's a mixture of both the metals which are solids. Solids. Done. So that's done. So the last question for today. Let us go back to one more concept. Yes, very peculiar question. Which of the following is not correctly paired in the table? Oh, this table I have studied, I have learned question with everything. They're asking which one is not correctly paired. Let us start from the first one. Air mixture of non-reacting gases. So it's correct only, gas and gas. Next, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Okay. All right, this is not paid properly. Let us first mark it and then go. Okay, we'll mark it. This is wrong. Why it is wrong? Let us explain this thoroughly. Chloroform in nitrogen gas is what? It is liquid in gas solution. Correct? Not gas in liquid. It is indicated, right? See here. They've indicated liquid in gas. It is chloroform is mixed with nitrogen gas, they said. Let us write chloroform in nitrogen. What is it actually? It is liquid in gas solution, right? Not a gas. It's not a gas in liquid. Are you able to observe here? Yes, not a gas in liquid. So the other way, they have given the other way around. Yes. So this is the difference. Now let us come back. Perfect. We have learned 10 questions today, isn't it? 10 MCQs. We'll be doing only questions and questions and questions. So I request you to please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. This is an AI generated image. Is it nice? So please mention in the comment section. I'll meet you tomorrow, or not tomorrow, rather give me 2 more days back. I'll come back with the next topic, expression of concentration of solutions. Very important. We'll be studying about molality. We'll be studying about molality. We'll be studying about normality. We'll be studying about mass percentages, volume percentages, parts per million, XYZ. So next video will include many numericals. So meeting you back, I request you to please share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.